Hello everyone. Welcome back to Wordvio English Tips. Learn English with a short story, A2 level, easy, engaging. Today's video is very interesting. You will learn English with a short story. This will help you improve reading, listening, speaking. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Let's begin. Short story. The Honest Shopkeeper. There was a small shop in a village. The shopkeeper was an honest man. Every day, many people came to his shop. He sold food, fruits, and daily items. One day, a young boy came to the shop. He wanted to buy some apples. The shopkeeper gave him fresh apples. The boy paid the money and left. After some time, the shopkeeper checked the money. He saw extra money in his hand. The boy had paid more by mistake. The shopkeeper felt responsible. He wanted to return the extra money. He closed his shop for some time. Then he went to find the boy. After walking for some time, he saw the boy on the road. He called the boy and stopped him. He gave the extra money back. The boy was surprised and happy. He thanked the shopkeeper. The boy said, "You are a very honest person." The shopkeeper smiled and said, "Honesty is very important in life." From that day, people trusted the shopkeeper more. His business also grew. Moral, simple English. Honesty builds trust. Trust brings success. Practice section. Now repeat after me. The shopkeeper was honest. The boy paid extra money. The shopkeeper returned the money. Honesty is important. Great job. You learned English with a short story. Listen again. Repeat daily. Practice speaking. Also watch our old videos for more English practice. Like the video. Comment, story. Subscribe to Wordvio English Tips. See you in the next video. Keep learning and keep growing.